guys, welcome back to my channel. And to all my new subscribers, welcome my babies. Welcome. Y'all, we almost at 1,000 subscribers, so let's keep running these numbers up. I think I'm at 980 or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check. But other than that, don't forget to get this video. Oh, sorry, let me pause for a minute. So everything in this video is we're gonna be using today. I mean everything. Y'all know I gotta do one more Halloween set. So I was like, I'm done. I ain't doing no more. I'm gonna do one more Halloween set. I'm gonna put the inspo on the right, left, bottom corner. I'm gonna put it somewhere. But other than that, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn those notification bells on so you guys can know every time your girl posts a video. But other than that, let's get started. All right, you guys, I already did all my prepping off camera. And for my new subscribers, I used the base gel by Metal Ones. Okay. And what I'm going to do is use the Makartt nail extension gel in the name Peach. And I'm just going to do that on all my nails. But I'm going to do something a little bit different on this nail. Y'all just watch and see.
I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should have been peed. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. Yeah. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a.
All right, you guys. I already put the poly gel on here, so I just need to do the slits. Now all I got is this here right here. I don't have nothing. I probably do got something like sharper that I can probably use. Probably like something like this. Let me see, because I don't want to mess up those. So I'm gonna do some slits.
Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you.
Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch or both. They look bro, hit this dick ass like getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with the period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I feel weird. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm gonna walk her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my collars, we second up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip with the nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTL, look like the new BM up. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right or left. And you drink up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they block and get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm war ready. Check the tracks, I'm counting more ready. Sky rollers, music, and a prison. Time to spit this fire, bitch, you can low. I'ma put the gamut to his empty. Because I'm spitting flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm tempted. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a ticket. Oh, he getting up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit?
All right, you guys, so these are the finished Halloween nail look. Ooh, they giving what they, I was like, yeah, give it. I just add this heart because I didn't like the black and white, and I ain't feel like taking it off and then start eyeing for like doing all this. I'm just gonna cover it up. Okay, the blood drops came out pretty good. I like the 3D effect that they kind of give. I like that. Yeah, ooh, it's a little creepy. I'm gonna have to put viewer description advised. Well, I always want to do that. But other than that, you guys, let me start talking. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn those notification bells on. Until next time, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.